here's how to switch from a regular strap on a Hobobe to a seatbelt strap. So this is how it comes originally. You turn your strap over, and on the slider, you just pinch your strap off and remove it from the D-ring. And then you want to use the slider on your seatbelt strap. So you're going to take it off, pinch it off, and get your seatbelt strap. These just come with a loop sewn on the end. You slide it on the slider. You thread this through the D-ring. So it's on the D-ring, and then you turn your strap over. I like to have a little slack there, it just makes it easier. And you're going to put that loop right on that slider. Just pinch it on. Now you have a seatbelt strap.